This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Gartrell. Gorgeous contemporary residence on large protected deep waterfront lot, perfect for the avid boater and outdoor enthusiast. Completely remodeled, offering impeccable craftsmanship throughout, soaring ceilings, beautiful woodwork, open floor plan. Chefs eat in kitchen with custom cabinets, granite, stainless appliances, beautiful backsplash, gas range, 3 ovens and pantry is open to family room with stone gas fireplace and bar west/ice maker. Primary suite overlooks water with new luxury bath and fabulous closet. 3 additional bedrooms, office nook with built-in bookcases. All baths are new and tastefully finished. An abundance of outdoor living space with retractable awnings. New roof, siding, skylights, awnings, Pella doors and pool in 2018, lighting, LVP floors, whole house backup generator, February 2021. Entertain on the oversized deck with pool. Boat dock west/12 pound lift and jet ski lift within men's to open waters of Broad Bay. Multi-car drive and